Hello, today we're going to be cleaning our SD501 Platinum. This e-cleaning process that I'm going to run with you guys is going to be the same if you have an SD501 or SD501 Platinum. So this e-cleaning process should be done every 2 weeks to 1 month to ensure that your plates can produce living water. So what happens is that when the water runs through, buildup can build on top of the plates, and that can actually decrease the amount of antioxidants that you're going to be drinking in your water. And it can also decrease the lifespan of your machine if you never clean your machine. And so that's why it's really important to do it every 2 weeks to 1 month. Another important part to invest in is a pre-filter. The reason why is because I work with the most NSF certified pre-filter on the market. They are certified to reduce the most amount of combination of contaminants compared to any other filter on the market. So this will also increase the lifespan of your machine when you have the clean water and then the living water together. The ionizers are great for medical, therapeutic, holistic healing. But when it comes to having clean water, it's only certified to remove chlorine, sediments, and rust. Now, of course, through the electrolysis process, some contaminants are reduced. But to really ensure that you are getting clean and living water, definitely pair it up with a multi-pure filter. Okay, so let's go ahead and start our e-cleaning process. We're gonna go ahead and open this compartment here, and we'll find our filter here. So we'll take it to the left so we can open it back up, and then we can take our filter out. So we wanna keep these seals on the hole, so I just take them off from the filter and place them right inside. Now you're gonna go ahead and grab your thing that's gonna help you clean your machine, okay? So this is a container that looks like about this half size of a filter, and it has a cap that will just untwist right here. And then you're gonna find your citric acid. It's really important to get food grade, industrial grade citric acid, because your machine, you made an investment with this and you want to have the most high quality citric acid as well. So as long as it's food grade, you'll be good. So let's go ahead and open this up. And inside this little container, we're going to put about 1/4 in here. I've actually done this video a few times, and so it's almost at 1/4, so I'll just put a little bit in there. But just look inside, and it doesn't have to be like right to the T, but like get close to like 1/4 of the container. Let's go ahead and close that up. And then we'll seal the container here all the way nice and tight. And then again, you have your 2 seals here and your 2 black seals here. And you're just going to match it up perfectly to get it in there, nice and snug. And you'll see that it's in there because it's leveled, right? And it's pretty snug. And then we're gonna take our white ring and place it right on top. And this way, we can seal it shut. So sometimes you have to just like wiggle it a little bit, but that's okay. Just kind of find some patience there and just keep going. And then we'll just kind of lock it into place. Oop. So we're gonna run it. It's okay, the machine can be powered off. We just wanna run it for about 10 seconds all the way through on full. And that way the citric acid can come out of the container into the machine, and it can start to just like run through the machine for a little bit. Okay, so that was about 10 seconds, right? So I'm just gonna slow down the flow here for a second, and then find a container that can fit both your flexible hose and your secondary hose. And you may wanna just put it to the side on the counter. And then we're gonna fill it all the way up until both the first hose, the flexible hose, and the secondary hose are inside, fully immersed in the water. There we go. So now that you can see that they're both fully immersed, you see that? We're gonna leave this here for about 3 to 5 hours so the citric acid can really get into the plates, and then we'll be back. We're gonna go ahead and turn off the water, and then we'll remove the cleaning filter cartridge just by unlocking it, taking it out, and then see you still have the 2 seals on there. And then we can just put our original filter that we had on there and just make it snug and fit there. And then once it's snug and fit, put the white ring to lock it in. And then you are good to go. You can just put your cover on it. And then you're good to drink antioxidant-rich water again.
Powering on.
And you can turn it on.
Kangen water 9.5.